Alright, so I've been talking a lot about this drill and how good it is to show your body and get a feel for what it's like to have a perfect swing. So if you can do this, that's the proper shoulder plane. It's so easy to do because our arms aren't involved. So now it's more difficult to go from here and then really get the club involved. Our brains freak out. So here's what you should do. Really study in the peripheral vision what it looks like, okay? Where is that shoulder? What does it look like? Get a feel for that. For me, it feels like my left shoulder is pointing to the right foot, okay? Now, everyone turns back a little bit differently, so get a feel for that. And then add the club, and now you got a feel for what the arms are like, okay? So just do that a lot. And then once you can translate this into this, then you got yourself a swing.